how to communicate effectively with AI tools. Okay, so what is prompt engineering? The art of asking AI the right question to get the best result. Okay, so I'm showing you here what is the weak prompt and strong prompts. So for example, write an email. So this is too vague. AI doesn't know who do you want to write an email? What email do you want to write and why? What is the reason? What is the purpose? So that's why this is a weak prompt. So the strong prompt is write a professional follow-up email to a client who missed our meeting. Friendly but firm, 3 short paragraphs. So if you can see here, there is a specific instruction like uh who is this for? So the prompt there is write to a client. That's who is that email for. Are you going to write? So they said that follow up email. Okay, who missed the meeting? Okay, and then why? So why? Because who missed the meeting, so that is the who, what, and why.